Bullish quantum cost predictions range between $11.68 and $22.07 by 2030. Market researchers think that the price of Qtum could reach $9.09 by 2025. Bearish: the price of a quantum for the market is expected to be $2.08 in 2023. Quantum talk: quantum is a mix of different things. Stage IT solves any problems between Bitcoin and Ethereum by putting their best parts together. Qtum uses Bitcoin's UTSO model and E3's ERC20 token standard. This lets it run smart contracts and decentralized services while still handling transactions. High amounts of exchanges happen quickly. The Qtum group is led by Patrick Dai, a former chief of Alibaba, and Bruce Fenton, who is on the board of the Bitcoin establishment. Together, they have put together a great group of councils, which includes Roger Anthony Diorio, a zoo star who misses those Ayanu. Why Benoit and Kevin Goffman? The Qtum project has gotten help from a few big names in the cryptocurrency world. On September 27, 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital and $4 million from organizers Asset Angel List. In September 2017, they also raised $15 million in an ICO. What does Qtum mean? Qtum was made to combine the best parts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It does this by using a new UTSO exchange scheme. Qtum can give you the protection of Bitcoin and the usefulness of savvy contracts and dApps as well. The platform also supports DeFi apps, which give users more ways to use Qtum. As of WAP 2021, more than 20 tokens have been made on the Qtum blockchain, making it one of the most flexible platforms anyone could hope to find. Qtum was first listed on trades and was worth 4.65 cents until November of that year, when the resource traded for $10-13 territory. On December 13, Qtum broke through the 13 barrier level and went up to 62.770 cents on January 28. Qtum's ascent was about the group's attendance at Block Show Asia in November. The Qtum coin was undervalued from January to WAP 2018 until this episode. The price of Qtum kept going up until February 2018, when it hit an all-time high of $85.70. Still, the market soon fixed itself, and by the beginning of September 2018, the price had dropped to $4.30. Qtum started going up in value in February 2021, and it has been mostly stable since then, with a few exceptions. Quantum is worth $2.60 right now. USD Qtum has moved 1.52% so far, with a trading value of $34,206,577. Quantum is currently the 117th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $271,714,362 according to the General Strength File Moving Weighted Norm Normalization. Williams's fractals and regular movement. Seeing the price of Bitcoin or any other digital currency a year in advance is hard. Many things could happen that would make the price go up or down, such as a big trade getting hacked and losing customer trust, government laws getting stricter, or a new competitor entering the market and taking a piece of the pie. These things are hard to predict, and so is the price of Qtum. However, there are some general things that can be seen when trying to predict the price of Qtum in the future. The first is reception. If more people use Qtum for everyday transactions, the price will go up. The second thing to look at is his competition. If other coins are better for certain tasks than Qtum, Qtum may not be used as much, and the price will go down. Finally, development should be taken into account. If the Qtum team comes up with new features or apps that make it more appealing than other coins, the price will go up. Our cost estimate conjectures utilize continuous quantum market information, and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Quantum Value Forecast 2023. From some points of view, Qtum is one of the most interesting types of cryptographic money to come out this year. The Qtum price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to $3.89. This is similar to other cryptocurrencies, where the rise will be slow but there won't be any big drops. An average price of $3.64 is very high, but it's possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and improvements. Qtum is meant to have a value of $3.12 at its base. Qtum Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, the Qtum cost prediction has a lot of room to grow. We think that the price of Qtum will soon go above $6.49. However, we should wait to see if the Qtum's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, bets say that the base exchange rate for Qtum will be 5.19, and the average exchange rate will be 5.71. 2025, if the pattern stays the same, it could hit $9.09, and Qtum could benefit if the market goes down. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, the average price of Qtum should be $8.31 and the lowest price should be $7.79. Qtum Value Expectation 2026. If Qtum does a good job of supporting market opinion among digital currency fans, the price of a Qtum coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, Qtum will be green in 2026, and it is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual money will be worth $11.68, with a starting cost of $10.39 and an average cost of $10.91. We think that the price of Qtum will cross an average value level of 13.50 by 2027, with a base price of 12.98 expected before the end of the year. This is based on a lot of research and a lot of guessing. Also, the highest value of Qtum is 14.28 Qtum Value Expectation 2028. This is because it represents organizations that are expected to happen after 2020. We expect a bullish trend to keep pushing the average price up to around $16.10. If Qtum manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum extra stream price of $16.88. If Qtum doesn't get the support it needs by 2028, the price could drop to $15.58. Qtum Value Forecast 2029. While Qtum is working to make it easier